What is the use of that configuration type and configuration event? Anuradha madam, could you please tell me what is the use of configuration type and configuration event? What is what is the fields? Those are what is the use of that fields?
So configuration type and event, if you select as allowed and always, you will have that feasibility to get to that bundle configuration page and as well as the code line editor page. So this is how we set the configuration, and based on that, it will help us to go back to the code line editor and reconfigure the products as well.
Yeah, initially also you can configure. Later also, if you want to reconfigure, you can configure. That is the allowed and add.
Yeah.
What is allowed and add? Anyone? Who is saying? Siri madam, could you please tell me allowed and add? What is allowed and add? Anyone?
We can edit anything while adding itself.
Okay.
We can configure the code line editor while adding itself.
Okay.
Hello, Vara. Hello, everyone.
Hi. Who is this?
Vara, this is Sandeep.
Sandeep. Okay. Okay. Where is my CPQ notes? Last week I showed it. Okay. So what is the option selection method field? Why will use the option selection method field? Vishnu, what is the purpose of that field, option selection method field? Where that field is exist? Vishnu, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Tell me, what is the option selection method?
There are three types of option selections: click, add, and dynamic. Where click is used, it will show all options with the checkbox in future. Whereas add, it will show add options. Where add will show add options in future. When once we click on it, it will show options related in future. Whereas in dynamic, it will also show add option, but when we click add options, it will show related items in price from price book. Products will be shown in related price book.
Sorry, sir. Could you please repeat again? What is the use of click and add and dynamic?
Click will show only option with checkbox in future, whereas in add will show.
What is add?
Add will show add button. It will show where when we press add button, it will show
correct
options related in future.
Okay, good.
Whereas dynamic also same as add, but it will show when we click add button. It will show related products related to price book.
Exactly. Good. Okay. So when radar button will display? Vijay madam, could you please tell me when radar button will display? In the bundle, we have features, right? When that feature will show radar buttons, when it will show checkboxes, when it will show radar buttons, leave about checkboxes.
Which radio button?
Okay, madam, no problem. Mayuri,
In future object, when we keep minimum equals to 0, maximum equals to 1, then it will show radio button.
Exactly.
Oh, okay, yeah.
If you put a maximum 1, right, then that means nothing but a radio button. Cool. What is the use of category field in the feature level?
To categorize the features.
Correct, madam. Okay, cool. Chalo, so today what we'll discuss is, today we'll discuss some more important fields.
Prasad, I have a quick question. In the configuration type and event, you have an option of required and always, right? So, but both act the same way. Like you have it goes to the bundle configuration page and as well as the code line editor. What is the difference between these two features?
So if you want, if for example, you have a topic called nested bundle, madam, bundle inside a bundle, right? So in that case, if you want to configure both nested bundle also, we have to use a required. Otherwise, we'll go for allowed always.
Okay.
So currently we are discussing about only bundle, right?
Right.
So in the bundle, you can add one more bundle also inside, like how we can choose the option, right? There, if you choose a one more bundle, that is nothing but a nested bundle. Even that time, what if you want to do? If you want to configure both the bundles, we will use a required. But generally, we cannot use that much. We'll go with the bundles only. Okay. So today we'll discuss about some important fields on the product option object, madam. Okay. So what is product option object? Where we have the object, product option object? Where we can see this object?
On the bundle product?
Product object only, madam, not a bundle product, right? Product only.
Okay.
So that is so product bundle product means we can, based on the configuration, we can create a standalone also, you can create a bundle also, you can create a subscription also. That is nothing but what? Product only. Clear, madam, what I'm saying?
Okay. Yes.
The product related list, we can see this option, right? If you open any product, not only bundle, even for standalone also, you can see that is a child object. That is a child object for what? Product actually. Okay. But in the real time, what we can do? We can use that object mainly for the bundle products. So go to IT Pro Pack. So related list. I don't know why some people are joining and disconnecting multiple times. Okay. Chalo. So in the last class, we discussed about fields, right?
Yeah, it was a network issue. So this is Aruna here, who joined multiple times and disconnected.
Okay. Sure, no problem. Okay. Chalo. So today we'll discuss about product option object fields. Some fields are there, important fields. We can discuss this. Okay. So recording started, right? Okay. Where is that object? Yeah, this is a product option object, right? Okay. So you can open some fields. Okay. So product option is nothing but a child object for product. Okay. Generally, these options we can create under the bundle product only. Okay. You can see product option. So what is the use of this number field?
Sequence.
Option sequence, right? In the bundle level, which option you want to display? First or second, like this you can give. Okay. For example, I can give quantity for this product. What is the product name? Option name? Laptop, right? I'll give a 5. For business laptop, what is the quantity I'm giving here? 5. Okay. Quantity field. Option of it, right? So then other one is what? Which product? This is US keyboard. For example, this one, I'll give quantity equal to 2 and quantity variable true. Okay. So what is the difference? What is the meaning of quantity equal to 5 here? If you give for quantity here for this option, what is the meaning of it? What will happen? So if you open if you add any time that product, okay. If you add any time that product in a bundle, if you open if you open that bundle, okay. So by default, you can see the quantity is what?
5.
Default quantity. That is nothing but what? Default quantity. Okay. So click add products. So if you open IT Pro Pack. So what is the quantity you are displaying here? By default for business laptop?
5.
5. How this is coming? Because we have given in the option level default quantity equal to 5. This is default one. Can we modify this quantity? Can we modify?
No, it's logged.
Logged, yeah.
No.
Quantity equal to what? Quantity equal to what? False or true?
False.
False.
That's why we cannot modify. Okay. For example, if you take other option, US keyboard, what is the default quality I'm giving? Quantitable?
Yes. True.
Yes.
So open your, where is that option? US keyboard. This is the US keyboard now. Add options. US keyboard, right? Add it.
Yes.
Can we modify quantity now?
Yes.
Yes.
No, why it's showing why? I'm giving 2 right here. Okay, this is UK keyboard. Huh? Oh my God. Add option. UK keyboard. What is the UK keyboard default quantity?
2.
Can we modify? Yes, we
Yes.
can modify.
Yes.
So that is the use of these two fields. Default quantity. If you want to give access to the salesperson's edit access to the quantity editable or not. If they want to change in the line editor, you can give a editable equal to true. Clear? What is the use of these two fields?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
For example, okay, before doing all these things, okay, I'll make it option selection number 3 equal to click, because we don't have that much options to use add options button and all those things. Okay. So for example, now I'll open all the features. I'll make it click only. By default, is click only. You can even though you're not selecting anything. So click. I'll make it a dynamic things to click or none. What is the last one? Also, I'll make it a click or none, anything. Okay. So now you can cancel it. Okay. Cancel. Okay. So now what I'll do is, for example, I'll open same options. So what is the product option here? Letter paper. For letter paper, I'll give a select a checkbox equal to true. For which product? Which option? This is a which option here?
Letter.
What we did? What we enabled for letter paper?
Required.
This is wireless router, madam. So in the previous option, right? In the previous, what is the previous option? Letter paper selected. For this one, what I made? Wireless router, what I made?
Required.
Required as a check.
Required.
What is the difference between selected and required? Any guess? I'll show you. Click edit lines. So selected means by default options are selected in this bundle.
It will be selected but editable, right? And required meaning it won't be editable. It will by default come as selected.
Correct. That's it. So by default selected means by default selected. If you want to disable, you can disable it. Okay. What is the option? That is selected one. Letter paper, right? Letter paper is selected, right? You can go, where is letter paper? You can see. By default, it is what happened?
Selected.
Selected.
While wireless router, what happened? It is also selected. But what is the difference between these two? This is a required. This is selected. So selected means you can uncheck letter if you want. But required?
Non-editable.
We cannot uncheck actually. That is mandatory in the bundle. Clear everyone? What is the difference between selected and required? Selected means by default that option is selected in the bundle. If you want to unselect, you can unselect. But for required, if you make it required, you cannot unselect that one. That is mandatory. Clear everyone what I'm saying? Everyone following?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll remove this one. I'll make it uncheck now. Click save. Okay. What is the min quantity, maximum quantity? For example, what is the paper here? paper product, right? I can give minimum equal to 5, maximum equal to 10. So what is the meaning of this min and max 5 or 10? Any guess?
The minimum you have to select the 5 quantity.
Yeah. Maximum?
10.
Not more than 10, right? Exactly. So if you go now, just if you refresh the page, letter paper, what is the minimum quantity required? Minimum quantity? 5 is required.
5, yeah.
Not more than 10. So click add products. Choose IT Pro Pack, select it. Go to letter paper product. Where is that? Home. So by default, why is showing 5 here? By default, it's coming 5 only here. Why? Because minimum is
5.
5. Can I change money 5 to 4?
No, I think
No, it won't actually.
validation should come.
Validation will come. What's the validation? You have not met a minimum quantity 5 for what? Letter paper. Can I give more than 10?
No.
We exceeded the maximum allowed quantity 10. Sir, so this is called min quantity and maximum quantity. So how much you can enter maximum? Between 5 to 10 only you can enter, not more than that. If you click save, now it will navigate to the page. Code line editor. Clear what is the minimum quantity, maximum quantity field in the option object? Hello? Why everyone is silent?
Yeah, quantity.
Number of quantity we can add based on that.
So okay, please speak, sir. Whenever I'm asking question, everyone needs to speak. Otherwise, I can understand, right? You're following or not. Just let me know if you're not understanding. Let me know. If I understand, also just tell me yes. Okay. Yeah. What is the minimum quantity, maximum quantity fields in the option object?
So minimum quantity is like the quantity which you have to select to proceed.
Minimum.
Yeah, minimum.
We
And
have
maximum
we
you
have to
cannot.
add options based on that.
Yeah.
Quantity option quantity should be minimum quantity option. What is the maximum quantity you want to enter? You can enter. Sir, one more thing. Why I'm asking these questions is, see nowadays in onset I don't know onset also, but in India I've seen like there is a CPQ units are going very basic questions they're asking, sir. Very basic questions they're asking only these fields only. What is use of this field, this field? So that's why I'm asking each question for everyone. I will repeat these questions also for each next time class also. So please prepare. Okay, sir.
Okay.
So if you know CPQ in the resume, you will get job easily in the India now. That's I will give 100% response. You have to practice. That's it. You need to know what is the use of each field. Okay. Okay. Then we'll discuss about this field, sir. This we'll discuss later. Bundle checkbox. What is bundle checkbox? This is the US keyboard, right? Not US keyboard. I'll open a letter paper. So for what I'll do is, I'll make it bundle checkbox equal to true. Any guess, sir? What is a bundle?
It means that particular product is a part of bundle.
It is not a standalone product.
This is not standalone product. This is option, right, madam? Actually, remember, sir, this is a CPQ certification question. Okay. In the CPQ certification, they're asking question. How they're asking question is, so they're adding that option in a bundle. They are selected that bundle option, but pricing is not coming. Why it is not coming? Okay. In the bundle, there are 4 options. They selected 4 options, but for one option, their price is not displaying in the code editor. Why? Why it is not displaying price is because of this checkbox. So what is this bundle checkbox is? Generally, you can say, if you buy some meal, KFC meal, right? So you will get some French fries. You can get some like nuggets, and you can get some other thing, 3-4 items. But along with this, they are adding one option called Pepsi cool drink, cool tin actually. Okay. If you want to take that tin, you can take. If you don't want, you can ignore. But for that, they are charging any price. In that meal pack, they are charging any price for that cool tin, Coke, Pepsi, Coke tin. They are not charging anything. So that is a free of cost. with a bundle. Okay. So you are ordering something called KFC meal. They're giving French fries and some nuggets and some other items, some meal. Along with this, they're having one more option called what? Cool drink, Coke tin. That is a free of cost, absolutely free of cost. If you want to take, you can take. If you don't want, you can ignore it. Everyone is following what I'm saying?
Yeah. So just a question here. Say for example, we have this bundle which has got 3 options under it, okay, and all of them are bundled, okay.
Correct,
so
correct.
individually sold, if suppose their price was, I mean, product option is not individually sold, but the product in this option, if it was individually sold, suppose the price was $10 each, okay, for those 3 options, and you have added those 3 and made it bundled. So in that case, do we need to set the price on the configured SKU, the main SKU?
Not required, madam. This is, we are just leave about standalone product. Now this is only related to the bundle products only. In the bundle product, if you make it option, any option like this checkbox equal to true, that is a free of cost. If you include it, free of cost. If you don't include also, that is your wish. If you want to take, you can take it. That is free of cost. But again, if you want to buy this product, standalone product, that time you can get it will be charged.
Correct. Yeah, that will be per that individual product's charge is what we have made, right? But yeah, but if it is free of cost, you said, but say for example, there are 3 such options, okay, in a one particular product, I mean, bundled product, there are 3 such options and all of them are bundled this way. So how will it appear? I mean, will that whole bundle product appear as free of cost, or how is it?
They will not get like that type of bundle products. If you give everything free, why we have to do, right? Not like, madam, maximum. If we go anywhere, they will give only one free option, right? Not multiple items. Example,
correct.
KFC
I'm just yeah, right. So I mean, logically it won't be that way, but that I understood. But like, say for example, in these 3 options, one price may be $10 and 2 are bundled. So like whole product bundle price will be $10, right? And these 2 comes free.
That's correct. That's correct.
Oh, yeah.
So click edit lines. So for letter paper, what checkbox I have enabled, sir? What is checkbox I have enabled for letter paper? So what is this bundle checkbox? What is the use of the checkbox? In a bundle option, if I'm giving option, I'm giving a bundle checkbox equal to true. What is the benefit of that one?
Its price will not come.
Actually, it is what is the actual price for this option? $20, right?
$20.
But if you add this one to your code, there you can see we are not going to charge anything. Okay. You can see automatically there is an option called bundle equal to true. What does this mean, sir? Why letter paper is coming included here automatically?
That price has been included in main price.
No, sir. Price we are not giving. This is a letter paper equal to. I have enabled checkbox. Bundle checkbox.
Yeah, bundle.
So because of this means, what is the meaning of this bundle checkbox? So this option we are including free of cost. If you want to take, you can take. If you don't want, you can ignore it.
So here included means we are not adding the price. We are just including the product option.
Correct. Exactly. Just let's see, there is no price for this option.
Sir, but up to what is the quantity? We can use minimum, maximum. That's it.
That's it. If you can fit in, actually,
okay. If we go for 11, again it is showing here.
Not like that, sir. You can control here only. Actually, we can give only one tin. Actually, not more than 5. Because last time I have added this one. That's very showing. Yeah. You can give maximum minimum quantity equal to 1, sir. That is enough. Okay, you cannot. Okay? Yeah. Clear, sir. What is the use of bundle checkbox? This is a Salesforce CPQ certification question, sir. Remember this point. What is the price you will get for this option? If you make it option bundle equal to true, so you will get a price equal to 0. And in the coordinator, you can see the option called what? Included equal to true. That is called.
So can we consider that those are the complementary items in the bundle?
Correct, madam.
Which is to be included here.
That's correct, madam. Exactly.
Oh, yeah.
So that is the use of bundle checkbox. Okay.
Can we give a luxury to customer to choose whatever they want in the complementary thing? Suppose if you have 3 items, you can choose one.
In the bundle, you want to choose complementary, not. So in that case, what if it is a very big product, madam, very large product, then you can make it options here. Which options like?
Okay.
is what you can do. You can create 3 options, 3 products, 3 options like a bundle checkbox equal to true. Put all these 3 options into one feature. You can make it a, what you can do in that case, tell me any guess.
Validation to only check one.
Exactly. So in the future level, we have option, right? How many options we can select? Minimum option, max options. If you have 3 options, if you want to give 3 options to your customer, in that case, what you can do? In the future level, how many options we can select in a single feature? That we have option, right? That you can choose 1. So that they can choose how many? Maximum these 3 options?
Yeah, minimum and maximum.
Exactly, yeah. If we give minimum 1, in the 3 bundled, 3 checkbox, 3 options we have, 3 complementary offers we have, they can choose only 1, not more than 1 in that feature. Clear, madam, what I'm saying?
Yes.
So from feature level, we can control this.
Correct, sir. We can control in the feature level. Okay. If you have more than more offers, more complement options we have. Okay. If you have only 1, then you can directly add it to any feature, no issues. Okay. So then we have a price. Unit price is there. What is unit price? Okay. So actually, if you want to buy product, same product standalone, you will get a $20. Okay. But if you, whenever you add in that standalone product in like in a bundle you are including, that time we have to reduce some. You want to give separate price for that product, so you can give that price, $15. Okay. For option, for letter paper, if you buy with a bundle, what is the price you are getting?
$15.
If you buy standalone, how much you will get?
20.
20.
That is the difference. If you want to override any standalone price in a bundle level for the same option, same product, so in the option level you will get some different price. In the bundle level, sorry, in the standalone you will get a separate price. In the bundle level, you can override some price, maybe decrease or increase better. So just see now, I will add both products now. I will add first standalone product. This is which product? This is
Letter paper.
standalone or bundle product.
This is from
Standalone.
IT Pro Pack.
Bundle.
It's a bundle product.
Bundle product. Right? So in the bundle product, now we can choose letter paper. Where is that? Yeah. What is the price you are getting for letter paper here?
$15.
But for standalone, what is you are getting?
$20.
$20. So now in bundle level also I have chosen what? Letter paper. Standalone also I have chosen what? Letter paper. Okay. You can see these are all bundled options. This is called standalone product. How much price you are getting for this one? $20. Yeah, just 1 minute. Huh? Okay. So that is the unit price. We can override in the. Okay. Then there is a discount field, sir. Here we can see what is the use of discount percentage. What is the difference between these two? You can give discount on based on percentage, or you can give discount based on the amount also. Both are same, percentage wise, or you can give discount or amount wise. Okay. So this discount is applicable in where only for option level, not a standalone. I can give, for example, 10%. For which option I'm giving 10% discount, sir?
Wireless router.
Okay, that's it. Okay, you can give amount also like $1 or $2 like that, or you cannot give percent. Both are same. Okay, you can use any one. Now, if you see wireless router, what is the discount we will get? What is the wireless router price? 10 or 20?
$20.
Okay. What happened? Net is slow. What happened? go. Net issues or what? Why this much of slow? Just not working properly. Right? Okay, I'll choose a bundle. I'll choose a wireless router standalone also. We'll see how much price you'll get. For wireless router, actually price is $20, I guess. Okay. So I'll choose here one product. Here we have to choose 2 products. Here at least one is required. Choose at least one, right? What is the price you are getting, sir? The option price?
20.
But in the once you add into the quote line editor, what is the price you'll get? What is the price you are getting? In $20, 10% means how much?
18.
$2, right? 18. So 20 minus 2, $18 net price. You can see. If you take same product standalone, what is the price you're getting?
$20.
What is the difference between this one and this one, Vikas?
We can.
What is this wireless router? What is this wireless router? Vikas or Dinesh, can you please tell me? What is this one? This one and this one?
One is we are adding from the bundle and one is from standalone product.
Which one is bundle? Which one is standalone here?
So without discount is what to say? With discount is a bundle product and without discount is standalone product.
With the discount is a bundle option, sir. We have to say not bundle product, bundle option product.
Bundle option product.
Okay, this is a standalone product. Okay.
But small doubts. Finally, the code generated and everything fine. The customer may get confused why wireless router added 2 times and with the 20 is 1 and 10 is 8
no,
is.
Sir. No, just demo purpose I have added now. Actually, generally we cannot do both actually. Okay. So just I want to show differentiate, right? How standard prices is there, how option price is there. For that reason only I have added here. Okay. We cannot add both generally. If you want to go bundle, otherwise you can buy standalone. Don't buy like an option and same option, same product in 2 times.
Okay.
And one more thing. Tell me, sir.
Yeah. So for the standalone product, there is no option for discount.
You can give some discount here also. You can give manual discount here, right? You can give discount. Click calculate, right?
Okay.
So that is the one option, sir. Sometimes what will happen? If you buy single product, you will not get any discount, right? But if you buy 3-4 products with the group, you get some discount, right, sir? Yeah. So that's why I'm saying this is the concept option discount. If you are buying this option wireless router along with this IT Pro pack, correct? So that's why if in case that is a requirement, you have to go discount in the option level. If you give bundle level, it is applicable for all the places, sir. If you give discount here, standalone product, it is applicable for all the places, right? That's why. Okay, and one more thing, if you see there is no identification, right? Which one is a bundle, which one is a standalone? Is there any identification now? It looks like all are same, but we can identify easily here by seeing these options, and you can see all these are options. But is there one more view is there? So I'll show you that one. What is the use of that one? Okay. To identify easily which one is a bundle by seeing code line editor easily, if you want to identify. Okay. There is a one checkbox in the configuration installed packages. Go to installed packages. And go to configure. Remember this checkbox. By using this checkbox, we can easily identify bundle product. Go to the line editor. This checkbox. What is checkbox?
Visualize product here.
Visualize product hierarchy.
If you enable this checkbox, so you can easily identify your bundle product now. I'll show you same code again. You can see now. Just refresh the page. Just some icon will come. It will display like some hierarchy. Main product, child products like that. It will show some hierarchy. Okay, sir. Add product again. Add a bundle product and add so many small products, standalone products. So in the computers, not require anything. Here at least one is required. Here 2 is required. Here 1 is required. Now you can see just symbol, sir. One symbol that is available now. Clear, sir? Why this symbol is coming, sir? Now previous is not coming.
Enable the checkbox.
We have enabled checkbox, right? Product hierarchy. So by seeing this now, you can identify. Okay, this is a bundle product. You can see some little bit space is there, sir. This is the top one is some right, little bit left side. You can see there is some gap, right? Hierarchy like this. So but like this, you can identify. These are all. This is a bundle. These are all what?
Standalone
Standalone options.
Sorry, product
in this
options.
bundle, these are all options.
Options.
This is again standalone product. You can see again same alignment is there here.
Yeah.
Everyone is following what I'm saying. If you enable the checkbox, what is happening? You can see for bundle, you can see some symbol here, and you can see some alignment also. It is you can easily identify. These are all child. This is a parent. Again, this is a standalone again. Why you can see this standalone? Because we don't have this symbol. If you have this symbol, that is called
Bundle.
Good. So you can enable the checkbox also. If you have multiple bundles standalone we are adding, you can easily identify in the code. Okay. So same discount amount. You can give discount on a percentage base or amount base. You can choose anyone. Okay. Next field is, this is a very important field, sir. CPQ certification question, type field. Okay. Type field in the product option. This is an important field. Another one is a bundle checkbox. These two are very important fields in the product option object. Okay. So what is type? So we have mainly 3 types. That is, there are 3 fields are there. 3 values are there in the type. One is component. One is accessory. One is related product. Okay, sir. So if you see option level, there are 3 values in the type field. What are those? Component, accessory, related product. What is the use of component? What is the use of accessory? What is the use of related product? Okay, sir. Very important this in exam also, CPQ certification exam also, and CPQ interview also. Okay, sir. First we'll discuss about component. What is component? So if you enable component, if you choose component in option level, so that option is completely depends on bundle product. Okay. So if you choose component, what is the meaning of this one? That options completely depends on bundle product. Okay. For example, what will happen is, if you change bundle quantity, I2 Pro Pack quantity, if you change I2 Pro Pack quantity, if you change 4, automatically this option also, quantity also, what will come? 4. Okay. I'll tell you, I'll show you this one. Example I'm saying. Okay. Example, I2 Pro Pack quantity equal to 4. Then automatically what will happen? That option, which option? Which option? Quantity will become 4.
Component option.
If you choose any product option type is called component, that option quantity also will be same based on the what? Bundle quantity. Okay. And one more thing, you cannot modify quantity. You cannot modify quantity. Okay. One more thing I'm saying. So if type is equal to component, your option. Okay. For example, I will take letter paper only here. I'll take letter paper option. What is the type I'm giving here? Letter paper option?
Component.
If you give type is equal to component, what will happen is, in the bundle level, main product, I'm giving quantity equal to 4. What will happen now? In the main quantity here, right? This is a bundle product, right? Here I can change quantity equal to 4. What will happen? Automatically?
Letter paper also 4 quantity.
Correct. That is the type is equal to component. Okay. And one more thing, we cannot modify quantity of which option? This option.
Letter paper.
Letter.
We'll see first this example, then we'll go for this second one, third one. I think almost all the options by default have component. Okay. For example, letter paper quantity equal to a component, right? You can use the same thing. I'll remove other changes, whatever I done previously. Click save. Okay. So letter paper type is equal to what I'm giving? Component. We'll choose any other option. Wireless router. For wireless router, I'll make it a accessory. For wireless router, what I'm doing, sir? What is the type I'm choosing?
Accessory.
Yeah, accessory.
So accessory, right? So what is accessory? Accessory is okay. So accessory is so it is depending on bundle product only. Bundle product, okay, but it will not change any quantity. It will not change any quantity, and even we cannot modify quantity also. What is the accessory, sir? Can anyone read what I'm saying?
It means like
sorry.
Component and accessory. Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead, please. Sorry.
Component and accessory both are having similar functionality, but we cannot change the quantity, but we can change the quantity as an option.
No,
as
sir. Even you cannot modify quantity also. So almost component and accessory is same, but what is the component is if you change bundle quantity, it will change option quantity also.
Option quantity also.
But you cannot modify quantity. But here what will happen? It is depending on bundle only, but it will not change any quantity. If you change bundle quantity, it will not change any quantity in the accessory. For example, so for wireless, what is the types I'm choosing? Accessory, right? So if I'll change IT Pro Pack quantity equal to 4, what will happen to wireless router? It will not change anything.
It will not change anything.
Whatever the quantity is there in the by default quantity will be there.
Even we cannot add anything.
Correct. Default quantity is there. Even you cannot
modify
quantity. Clear what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And last one, related product. So wireless router is there, letter paper is there. We'll choose any other one. UK keyboard, huh? Okay, UK keyboard and letter paper will come same, right? This is paper. Which feature this is? Printing feature. This is also peripherals, huh? Okay. For example, UK keyboard, what I'll give? Related products. For which option I'm giving related product? Sorry, sir. UK keyboard, sir. Peripherals is a future name.
Future.
So, related product. What is related product? This is independent, sir, not depending on bundle. This is not depending on bundle. This is not depending on bundle. Okay, you can modify your own, you can give your own quantity. You can give your own, you can modify quantity. You can give your own quantity. Okay, you can give your own quantity, and we can modify whatever we need. Okay, sir. This is not depending on bundle. This is completely independent. What is the meaning of related product option? Completely independent. So you can modify your own quantity. Whatever you want to give, you can give quantity 5, 10, whatever you can do. You can do it, whatever it may be. Clear what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We'll see same thing now in so for UK keyboard, what I made, related product. Type is equal printing, or letter paper equal to component. Accessory equal to what? Wireless. Will do. We'll see. Just cancel. Click edit lines. Add products. IT Pro Pack. I'll choose any one here. Business laptop. I'll choose UK keyboard. What else you have to choose? Letter paper and the wireless router. Here 2 is required, right? I can choose A4 paper also. Okay, sir. For example, now if you observe, except wireless router and except UK keyboard, remaining all are having what? Type is equal to component. Except UK keyboard, except what is the other one? Wireless router. Except these two, remaining options, what is the type?
Component.
Type equals to component.
Component. So if I change quantity for the bundle product equal to 5, what will happen to that? Type is equal, if option type is equal component, what will happen?
So A4 paper quantity will be 5 and laser printer quantity will be 5.
What else? If letter paper also, right? Laser printer, letter paper, A4 paper. All these types is equal to what?
Quantity
Component.
of
Component.
So just click on. You can see what happened. What happened for laser printer? What happened for letter paper? What happened for A4 paper?
Quantity changed.
Quantity is
So
same
5.
as IT professional.
Can I modify this quantity? This type is called component. Can I
Letter
modify?
paper you
No,
cannot.
no,
No.
Why?
no.
Because
Because
we
it's
said
component non-independent.
So if type is equal to component, that option is completely depends on bundle product. If you change the bundle product quantity, automatically option quantity will change, but you cannot modify quantity of that option. Clear everyone? Clear, sir, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is that other one? Wireless router.
Accessory. Accessory.
Related.
Accessory means what?
Accessory.
The quantity will not change even if we increase the quantity of a bundle.
Correct. Already you can see now, right?
Yeah, and we'll not be able to edit also. Yeah.
Which one? What is the which one I made?
Wireless router
Yeah.
accessory.
You can modify quantity? No.
No.
Quantity also not changed. This is depending on bundle only, but quantity is not changed, and even you cannot modify
The quantity.
Quantity. What is the other one?
Related
product.
Which option?
UK keyboard.
What is the related product?
It's
Not
irrespective
bundle.
of bundle, yeah.
Completely independent, right?
Mm.
So what can we modify quantity?
Yes, I think, yeah.
Right? So this is the three difference between component, accessory, and what else?
Related product.
Related product. Just remember this basic example difference. So maybe if they will ask you any certification question or an interview, where we have, first of all, they will ask you question, where is the type field is exist? Where it is exist?
Product option.
Product option.
Product option.
What are the fields? What are the values on there? Component, accessory.
Component, accessory, and related.
Product.
What is the by default value? Component.
Component.
By default, all the options will have a component. Okay.
Okay.
Then we can do the change based on the requirement. They want to update, they don't want to update quantity and all those things based on the customer product configuration. We can do the changes.
Just a small question, just to for the accessories, if we set IT Pro pack quantity is 4, so the product option quantity will not be 4, like.
Correct, it will not change.
Okay.
But how can we say that like it is dependent on bundle? So
depending on bundle means just what in the bundle level, whatever is there, default quantity, same thing is there. That's it. That's why we're calling default quantity. So at the time of configuration, this option, whatever the quantity we are giving, right? So that thing only we cannot modify, right? Because of that reason, we are calling dependent, but you cannot change the quantity.
Correct. I understand. We cannot change the quantity, but we cannot say that this is depending on bundle product, right? That relationship we cannot define, right?
We can say why we can say, madam, this is 50% matching, right? Because we are not doing any changes in this option. Whatever the bundle at the time of bundle configuration, whatever the quantity we are giving, same quantity it will be there. We cannot do changes also, right?
It is still the part of bundle. I
bundle,
mean,
right?
We are just giving flexibility within that item only, but it is still the product of. It is part of bundle.
No, she is asking different, madam. What she is asking is, if you change quantity of Pro pack, remaining component is changing 5, but it is not changing, right? Wireless router.
Correct.
So what I'm saying here is, I'm saying it is depending on bundle only here. Even the quantity is not changing.
For the first time when you configure, it is dependent on bundle.
Even we can, whatever the quantity we're giving, right? Initial quantity at the time of creating option. That's the part. That's the reason I'm saying bundle, dependent bundle, not completely bundle, depending partial, right? Default quantity is coming automatically. You cannot do changes, right? That's why I'm saying.
Right. Got it. Yeah.
So this is completely unrelated, not depending. You can do whatever you want. You can modify quantity, whatever you want.
Right. Independent of bundle.
Independent. Yeah. Clear? Okay. So those are the very important fields, madam, in this option level. Okay. So now we'll discuss one more topic called option constraints. Option constraint rules. Okay. So what is option constraint rules? Where we can configure this option constraint rules? Okay, we'll see. So what we can do is, so option constraints also, constraint rules are nothing but a child object for again bundle only. Okay. Well, when we'll use this option constraint rules here is, okay, based on one option selection. Remember one thing, I'm saying option, madam, here, not a product, standalone product. Based on one option selection, you can include
or exclude
or exclude other option is called what? Constraints, option constraints. What I'm saying? What is the meaning of option constraints? Anyone read this one? Based on one option selection, you can include.
You can include, exclude other options.
So include means, so if you're selecting wireless router, Wi-Fi router also coming. Wireless router Wi-Fi installation also required automatically. Correct? That is include. Exclude means if you're selecting US keyboard, you can exclude UK keyboard, not required. You're choosing audio US keyboard, right? The example I'm saying. Okay. For example, we can configure one rule. Okay, if whenever we choose US keyboard, we need to exclude what?
UK keyboard. Yeah.
UK keyboard.
So how we can do this? Exclude. Which type of option constraints we have to use? Exclude option constraints. Okay. So whenever you are creating option constraint rules, where there are very two important fields are there. One is option constraining, and this other one is option constrained. These two fields are very important, sir. Option constraining, and what is the other one? Option constrained. In a Salesforce, I think everyone knows, right? There is something concept called field dependency, controlling field, dependent field.
Yeah.
Right. Based on the controlling field, what will happen? Dependent field will display values. Correct. Similarly, here also we can say option constraint is nothing but a controlling field. This is option constraining is nothing but what? We can say example. I'm saying this is a we can call controlling field. Which one is dependent? Constrained. Just a small difference, madam. ing, end. That's it. This is called. This is we can say dependent field. Clear what I'm saying? Constraining, constraint. Okay. This is a very important thing. Okay. In this case, which one is constrained? Which one is constrained? Now tell me. US keyboard is constraining or constrained?
Constraining.
What is constraint?
Constraining, correct? Exactly. This is a US keyboard. This is a constraining. UK keyboard is a what? Constraint.
Constrained.
Correct. So we'll see. We can configure this one. Okay. So I'll remove this options accessory, and otherwise it will conflict sometimes. I'll make it a save. So option constraint is the child object for again what? Product object only. So that is also we can configure where in the bundle products only we can use that options, that object. For bundle products only we can use this child object, not for standalone products. Okay. So where is this option constraints? You can see here. Click a new button. What is the name you want to give? US keyboard excludes what? UK keyboard. It should be active. If it is inactive, it will not work actually. Okay, this should be checkbox should be active. Now tell me, madam, what is the constraining option? What is the constraint option?
US keyboard is constrained option.
US keyboard
UK keyboard is constrained option.
Take option. Where is the US keyboard here? You have to choose this. What is the option number here? This is option name, right? So check this one. Put into the constraining option. Dependent one was
UK.
You can pop this one. Okay. So what is the type this one? Include or exclude?
Exclude.
Exclude. So dependency or exclusion? We have to choose the exclusion. Okay. Click a save. Now we can see it will work or not. Click cancel. Okay. So edit lines. So add products. Choose IT Pro Pack. Click a select. So if I choose US keyboard, what will happen? Automatically
UK keyboard is selected.
Disabled, right? I have one more question. If I select UK keyboard, what will happen?
It will not. It won't.
It will exclude, madam.
Yeah.
Even if you set UK keyboard also, what will happen? The rule will work like a vice versa. Even though just I'm saying controlling field, dependent field here.
Oh, okay.
That rule will be working for exclude option. It will work like both the ways. For excluding option, it will work in both the ways. If you select this one, that will hide. If you select this one will hide.
Okay, so then they are not dependent; they are mutually exclusive kind of thing, right? With this.
Yeah, we can say mutually exclusion. Okay, just for understanding purpose, I'm saying controlling field, dependent field. Here in the exclusion part, what will happen? If you select either any field, any option, other one will be what will happen?
It will be excluded.
Excluded. Isn't. So everyone is clear what I'm saying? In the exclusion option, if you choose any one, either controlling field you can choose or dependent field you can choose. What will happen? Other one will be
excluded.
Clear everyone what I'm saying?
So Vara, it means constrained option and constraining option. We can provide any of like option 2, option 3.
No, sir. For this, for exclude option only, this is the happening. If you choose include option, then that time we have to choose constraining field compulsory. What is the controlling field?
Okay.
But for exclusion, what will happen? It will work vice versa. Both the ways it will work. Okay. I think here both the fields are controlling fields, both the fields are dependent fields. Both the options. In the exclusion type. Understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. Got
it. For example, we can see inclusion type. What will happen? Okay.
So there is no inclusion type, right? There is technically it is dependency type.
Technical dependency. But in the I'm just calling easily understanding that exclude include. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
That is dependency only. You can say dependency only.
Yeah.
Okay. Dependency. So for example, whenever I'm choosing wireless router, so automatically I want to enable which one? Whenever I'm choosing wireless router, then only I want to use we have to choose a installation. Otherwise, it should be by default which mode? Disable mode. Okay. Whenever I'm choosing wireless router, then only that option needs to enable. Otherwise, what will happen? It should be which mode?
It should be grayed out.
Grayed out. Correct. When it will be it will be enabled.
When we select wireless router.
Choosing the wireless router option.
Correct. If you choose a wireless router, then only it will enable. So tell me what is the controlling field here now?
Wireless router.
Correct. So in this case, the concept will be applicable, controlling field, dependent field, but not in the exclusion part. Exclusion part, both are controlling, both are dependent. Okay, sir. Go to IT Pro Pack. Go to option constraints. Click a new one. Wireless router. Otherwise, we can wireless installation. You can say wireless router includes
wireless installation.
Wireless
router installation.
Okay. So now go to options. Wireless router, right? This is a controlling field. Constraining option, right? What is the dependent field?
Wireless router installation.
Installation is a dependent field. So here what I can do? Dependency only. Because okay. So now refresh the page or cancel or whatever you can do. Okay. So just practice these topics only, sir. For CPQ, this is the latest technology in the market. So even the marketers, they don't know in depth on CPQ because this is a recent technology came in last 1 year onwards only. Previously, we don't have CPQ. So please practice whatever we're doing in the class so that you can easily crack the interview. Internet is slow here sometimes. Because why I'm saying is I have attended some CPQ interviews in the 1 month I have attended 2-3 interviews now. So they are saying they are asking very basic questions only. That's why I'm saying So go to add products, choose IT Pro Pack, click select it. Okay. So why is the wireless installation is disabled?
The router not selected.
Select this one.
Yeah.
So vice versa, it will not work, sir. If you enable this one, exclusion is working vice versa, right? Both the ways. But here, control field is control field, controlling option only, controlling only, depend is dependent only. Clear what I'm saying?
Yes.
Everyone is following what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Enable this one, then only wireless installation will be enabled. Otherwise, it will not enable. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
So I have one more requirement. Okay. So whenever I'm setting wireless router, I need a wireless installation, right, sir? Okay. So similarly, whenever I'm choosing wireless router, I need a other one also. Which one? Whenever I'm choosing wireless router, then only wireless router and other one is what? Wireless access point. We have something other one called wireless access point. Okay. So whenever I'm choosing wireless router, I want to enable what? Installation, right? Same way, I want to get one more option constraint. Whenever I'm choosing wireless access point, then only what I have to do? Then only what I need? In this both the rules, what is common, sir?
Wireless installation.
Dependent field is common.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
But controlling field is what?
Different.
So what is my requirement?
Wireless router and wireless
access point. Okay. So what is my requirement is? So now what is happening? Only if I'm selecting wireless router, it is enabling, right?
Yes.
But actually, this needs to enable whenever I'm setting both the options. If I choose both the options, then only I want to include this one. Otherwise, I don't want to enable. Whenever I'm choosing wireless access point, what is the other one?
Wireless router and installation should be active.
Both. If I'm setting both, then only what I have to do? Enable this one, not for only one option. How you can achieve?
I think the router and access point we can set that configure that as depend the controlling.
If we need to create two option constraints,
that's correct.
Dependent field is different. Same, and controlling field is different.
Correct, sir. You are said correct, but whatever you said that is correct. We have to create two constraint rules. One is this one, other one is this one. But what is our requirement? If you choose two different to create constant rules, what will happen? Even if you set one, it will enable automatically. How we can identify? We need to identify somewhere in the background, right? Both is selected, then only I want to enable this one. Correct, sir? If both are selecting, then only I want to enable which one? If you create two constraint rules, what will happen? If you choose wireless router, automatically this will work. If you choose this one, automatically it will work. But somewhere we need to identify, right? These two are controlling to this one. Somewhere we need to identify, right? So if you observe, sir, there is one field in the option constraints. Okay. Option group. The option constraint rule object. If you see, there is one field called what? What is the field, sir?
Option group. Option constraint group.
So for this assignment, what you have to do is, for this already we have one rule is there, right, sir? Already one rule is there. What is the rule? This one is excluding. Sorry, this wireless router includes Wi-Fi installation, right? Similarly, you have to get one more rule, correct? This is one more rule you have to create. Wireless access point includes which one? Wireless installation. In the both the rules, what you have to do is you can give same name. You can give same name. We can give, for example, I can give group name equal to wireless router and wireless access point. You can give any name, sir, not only this name. Why I'm giving same name is by this name is, so by seeing this group, I can understand easily. Okay, there is one more rule also there. Wireless router includes installation. Wireless access point also include installation. So in both the constraint rules, what you have to do? You have to give the same group name. Understood, sir? Everyone, what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If you just do this assignment in both the rules, what you have to do? You can give any group name, sir. Just I'm saying this name, but the group name should be same, sir. Not a small letter. Even the one letter is changed, it will not work. Understands what I'm saying? Yeah. Even the one letter is different in both the rules. In both the rules, what you have to do? You have to give the same.
Okay. Same name.
Same group.
Same group name.
Yeah. It should be same. Even the one letter is different, you cannot. It will not work. So do this assignment in the next class. Okay. Maybe you can send me tomorrow or day after tomorrow. This is all about constraint rules in the Salesforce. Option constraints rules in the Salesforce.
Based on the group name, we can make a relation.
Correct, sir.
Okay.
So this group will check in the background. CPQ package will check. Okay, any the same group name, any other rule is there? Yeah, one more rule is there. So this means okay, these two are controlling. These two are controlling which one? This one. Clear?
So we already created a dependency constraint, correct? We just need to create a one constraint group only.
No, sir. Group you don't. Just you need to mention in the text field. This is in the same rule. You have to give name. That's it. Any text you can give any text here, but that text should be same in both the constraint rules. Already just now we created one rule, sir. This is a rule we created right just now, correct? For in this rule, what I can give this is a group name. You can create one more rule. There also you have to give what? Same group name. But this is a router. This is a access point. Clear what I'm saying?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So do this assignment. Okay. This is option constraints. So now you know standalone product, you know bundle product, right, sir? Now we can talk about subscription products in Salesforce. Any idea, sir? What is subscription products?
The product which have subscribed for a particular time of period.
Yeah, exactly.
The kind of recurring charge products.
Yeah.
So generally we can say subscriptions are nothing but a service-based products. Right, sir? You can buy product that is not a physical product actually. Okay, like Amazon Prime, Netflix, AHA, antivirus, MS Office 365, cloud storage, Google Drive, all are nothing but what? Service. You can get a service. Correct? Service based product. Okay, sir. Examples, you can say n number of examples. Amazon Prime, Netflix, MS Office 365, cloud storage. What else we have? We can add any number to antivirus, Kaspersky, many things we have. Okay, even mobile recharge also, Tata Sky data recharge also, all are nothing but what? Service-based products, subscription-based products. If you pay, you can get service. If you pay, you can get the service. Okay. So in the Salesforce CPQ, we can configure subscription products in two ways. One is days wise, or you can go month wise. You can choose either day or month. That's it. You cannot choose both. Okay. In a single system, in a Salesforce CPQ system, either you can configure subscription product either day wise or month wise. Okay. Where we have to decide this one, day or month. If you remember,
installation
in the package, second class we discussed, right? There is an option, subscriptions and renewals options is there. Tab is there. You have to choose how you want to give price for the product. You want to give day wise or monthly wise. Setup.
Is there option for yearly option as well?
Yearly means you have to choose a 12 months and you can give a 12. If you give days, you can choose a 365. Clear what I'm saying?
Yeah, got it.
So go to subscription and renewals tab. You can see subscription term unit. You can use either any one option. You can go day wise or you can go month wise. Okay, these two are very important fields: subscription term unit and subscription prorate procedure. You can choose month and you can choose a proration equal to day or calendar monthly plus daily, day wise, monthly wise, and all. You can choose both month so that it will be easy for calculations and all. Okay.
So in here, where is the option to multiply this with 12?
I'll show you, sir. Just I'm choosing now, term equal to what is the term I'm giving now here? Month, right? Okay. So just remember this point. I'm giving you the month here. Okay. So what is I'm using now in the configuration settings? In the configure, I have used now what? Term equal to month. So what is the month? I'll tell you. Where, how we can identify where we are giving this month and how this calculator I'll tell you. Okay. For example, I can configure two products. Okay, subscription product. Okay, so just 1 minute. If you want to configure subscription products, there are some important fields in the product object. Okay, what are those? Subscription price field. Okay, how we can identify configuration type, configuration event in the bundle, right? Product level, right? Similarly, these are the important fields for the subscription product. Subscription price, we have two types, sir. One is a fixed price and the other one is a percent of total. Okay. So what is fixed price? Fixed price means price is coming from price book entry. Same, whatever we are configure, right? List price, that is nothing but what? Fixed price. Whatever the price we are giving in the price book entry, that is nothing but what? Fixed price. Price is coming in the price book entry. Percent of total is price is coming based on the other products amount. Based on other products net amount or list amount, whatever it may be. Okay, we'll discuss this topic. Separate topic is there. Just remember this point only now. Okay. So subscription prices, how many prices we have? What are the prices difference, sir? Fixed price. What is the other one?
Percent of total.
Subscription price type. Okay. What is the fixed price? If you choose fixed
price is
what?
Coming from price book entry.
Yeah, by default, what is the price book you are using, right? That price book entry price will come. Okay. This is the one thing. Subscription price. Subscription term. So how many days you want service? 1 month or 12 months? You can choose all those things. Why if I'll give a subscription term equal to 1, what is the meaning of this one now?
1 month.
1 month.
Why 1 month?
We already selected
unit is month.
Subscription term unit as month.
Correct. If you choose a day here, if I'll give here 1, what will happen?
One day.
One day. That is the difference, sir. Based on the configure, in this field, whatever the number you are giving, that is a month or day. Based on this, we have to identify. Okay, 1 or 12 months, whatever it may be. Okay. Subscription price, subscription term, and subscription type. This is very important field, subscription type. So what is subscription type, sir? This is there are some options, sir. First option is one time. What is the meaning of one time?
The one time.
Not recurring.
For example, you are recharging your mobile, sir, or you are taking MS Office 365 product, and you are giving type is equal to one time. What is the meaning of one time? So you are buying only for one time, sir, service. Okay. Next time, if you want to buy again, what you have to do? You have to take again new product. Again, you have to buy separately again. Okay. So there is one other options called renewal. What is the meaning of renewal? Renewable. So end of your service.
Again, we are using.
Exactly. So if you want again service, same number, same service you want, just you can recon again. What you can do? You can renew the service. Clear, sir? Everyone is following what I'm saying or not following? One time renewable.
Yes. Yeah.
And we have one more thing called evergreen.
Evergreen.
What is the meaning of evergreen?
Forever.
Lifetime.
They don't need renewals.
Lifetime.
Renewals, lifetime it is. Okay. There's one more option. It's option I forgot. Just 1 minute.
I think it is evergreen renewable.
Correct. Evergreen renewable. Correct. So I'll check 1 minute.
Yeah.
I've written some meaning of that one. Exact meaning. Yeah. So evergreen means what? What is the meaning of evergreen?
It doesn't need renewables. Renewals.
Correct. So that is a lifetime service. This option remains active until you cancel the service and you cannot be renewed it one. But evergreen renewal means what is the meaning? You just can define whether this subscription is renewable or evergreen or individual code lines in the code line editor. In the code line editor, we can choose we want to continuously evergreen or you want to renewable. That option we can choose both the options. Okay. So these are the 4 ways: renewable, one time, evergreen, and evergreen renewable. Okay. So we'll configure some basic products. I'll show you how we can do.
Do you have this PPT which we can?
Yeah, I'll share, no problem. If you want, I'll share this one also.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I can do is go to, I'll create 2 products now. We'll see. Subscription products. Where we have to go? Products only. If you want to create standalone, bundle, subscription, anything, where we have to go? One option. Products only. Okay. So here what I can give product name. For example, I can change MS Office 365. Family I can give service based product. Product code I can give MS Office. MS Office 365 should be active. So what are the important fields you have to choose here? What are the 3 important fields? Price, term,
Subscription price, term, and type.
We can go down. You can see those options here. What are the prices we have?
Fixed price.
Fixed price means?
Price book
So for
price book entry price.
From price book.
Term 1 means what here now?
1 month.
1 month.
12 means?
12 months.
1 year.
Year. Okay. So type? Renewable.
Renewable maybe. Yeah.
Renewable means?
It can be renewed after 12 months.
Correct. Just we can do the renewal. But that concept will come actually. Contract renewal amendment topic is there. End of the course. So that time you can understand what is the renewable easily. Okay. So now I create only product only. So I'll give the price. After creating product,
Just
first
a query. Sorry to interrupt. This is one-time product subscription type. If it is chosen one time, can we renew it or I mean, can we create a contract? No, right? It will not be considered as a contract.
So contract it will create, madam, but in the renewable it will not come. If you renew that contract, it will not come actually.
Okay, so initial contract will have subscription, but on the renewal of a contract, it will not. Okay.
If you renew the opportunity, same word opportunity will not come.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me, Vishnu. Siri, madam, tell me what will happen if after creating product, what is the first step you have to do?
Price book.
Price book.
Price book. After
Add
creating
standard
product,
price book. After creating a product.
First step, what we have to do? You have to add the standard price. Madam, we have done assignments, last class assignments?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, we have to cover standard price.
Okay, first what we have to do after creating product, we have to give the standard price. Okay.
Yes.
How much I'm giving? This is 12 months, right? I will give a $20, for example. MS Office for 1 year, how much I'm charging? $20. Then what we have to do after adding standard price?
We have to add it to price book entry.
We have to add to the price book, not price book entry, madam. If we choose automatically price book, automatically we will navigate to the where?
Price book.
Price book entry. Right?
Yes.
So here you can use any price. If you want to use the same price or you want to change, that is your wish based on the region or what is the demand and all this. I'll create one more product called cloud storage. Okay, so I'll give product code equal to cloud storage. Family I can give service active. What are the important fields? Pricing, fixed price. Term 1. What is the meaning of 1 here?
1 month.
1 month.
So this is also renewable. I can click a save. So what we have to do after creating product, immediate step, what is the step you have to do?
Standard price.
Standard price you have to. You can give price, for example, $10. Then what we have to do? Then where you want to sell this product, in which country or which region? Based on that, you have to decide the price book. Okay, I'll just same price for USA customers also. Okay, good. Now we can add same product in the quote. We can see the difference how it will display pricing and all. Cancel it completely. Okay, just click edit lines now. We can see the new products how it will display. Add products. Which products? MS Office.
MS Office and cloud storage.
Both are service products, right? So you can see what the price is coming for cloud storage.
$10.
This $10 is for
$20.
correct, right? Okay. For example, customer is asking, okay, I want service for 24 months. How many years they want service?
2 years.
2 years. 2 years, correct? So where we can do that, how we can add that 12 months, 24 months service? Where we can give that enter number? Where we can give?
Subscription term.
In the quote level, there is a field called, what is the field name?
Subscription term.
How many days they want service?
24 months.
24 months.
So click on save. Now tell me what is the price for MS Office? What is the price for cloud storage?
240.
For 240, which one?
Cloud storage.
MS Office?
480.
480. Anyone? Any other answers? What is the price for MS Office? What is the price for cloud storage now? For cloud storage, it is coming 240. Why?
We have selected a subscription term for 24.
Subscription term equal to 1 month, sir. So for cloud storage, what we have given? 1. 1 means what? Every month?
1 month.
Every month, how much we are giving price in the background? $10.
$10.
Yeah.
So 24 months means what will happen?
240. Yeah.
10 into 24. So how much? 240. For this, why it is coming 40 only? MS Office?
Because we gave it annual. Product
Correct.
subscription was 12. Yeah.
For MS Office, what is the term we are giving here? MS Office, what is the term we are giving?
12.
So 12 means what?
1 year.
1 year, how much we are giving the price?
20.
Here you can see, for 12 months, how much
20.
price I am giving here in the background?
20.
$20.
20. Yeah.
So 24 months means what will happen? 20 into
20.
20. 40. So, if you see, if you want to like enter the subscription term, start date and all, every time you have to navigate where? Code page, correct? Every time you have to give, for example, when you want to start service, for example, I can give today date, right? So it is difficult, right? We have to give data here and we have to go to the page there. We have to see the amount for 24 months, how much it is difficult. For example, if customer is asking 36 months, they want service. What he needs to do? Salesperson, what he needs to do? Again, he needs to come, quote, he needs to add 36 months here. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
For example, he is asking 48 months. What you have to do? Again, you have to come.
We need to come back quote and we need to edit.
So it is a little bit time taking, right? Yes or no? Sometimes it is time taking.
Yes,
Correct? To avoid this time taking and all, what we can do is we can add these quote fields. Which fields? What are the fields is there, right? These fields, important fields. For example, start date, term, end date, expires. Okay. Some fields we can add here directly. Where we can add? In the quote line editor. Quote line editor.
line editor.
To add these fields to the quote line editor, where we have to go first is go to the object. Which object? Quote object. Okay, go to the quote object. There is a concept called field set. Anyone knows what is field set? Anyone knows what is field set? Field set is nothing but a group of fields.
Group of fields, yeah, collection
Group of fields. You can create field set. That field set you can use in the background, either via page or anywhere. So what is the benefit of this field set is whatever the fields you are adding here, automatically it will display in the table. So that is the benefit. Okay, field sets. So now click on this line editor field set. In the background, they configured, this is nothing in the background, there, whatever is their cart page is, right? Maybe that is a lightning page or VF page, right? So whatever the fields you are adding here, automatically, and that VF page already they created some functionality in the background. So that fields automatically will come here. For example, I want to add what? Start date. What else you want? Which
subscription type.
Subscription.
Term. How many days you want service? And if you want to give end date also, when you want to end service. You can give start date, end date also, or you can give term also, whatever it may be. It is easy. Click save. So which editor we have to modify? Line editor.
Line editor.
So modify line editor field set to add a quote fields in a where? Line editor.
Line editor. Quote line editor.
Quote line editor. Okay, sir. So we'll see. We have added right now. We can go and quote. We can check if it is coming or not now. For example, I can give you 48 months now. Just we'll see what will happen. We'll go to the edit lines. So fields are coming automatically now, right? Click add products. Even open cloud storage, MS Office. I can open another product also, Samsung Power Bank. You can see, sir, now your date is coming, right? So for example, 48 is there. What is the coming price is coming for cloud storage in 48? What is the price it is displaying? $480. Why $480 for cloud storage?
We have selected.
It is taking unit price.
Per month, $10, right? Right?
Yeah.
10 into,
price into
48 might.
48.
So this is per month, this is for 12 months, right? To get a price and get price here. So 20 into how many years? 4 years.
4 years.
12 months, $20. 48 months, how much? $80.
$80.
For this
sorry, go ahead.
tell me, madam.
Just a query, like if, say, for example, Samsung Power Bank or so, any product, if we select, I mean, we just gave defining subscription products, the term as like 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, I mean, in the multiples of 3 or something. So this calculation is quite straightforward, right? Because subscription term is 48 months. But what if, like, if we give on product itself, the initial term is 5 or 10 months like that. So it will calculate price accordingly, right?
Correct, man. It will call price. For example, here now I can give 40 instead of 48, I can give 42. Automatically it will calculate. You can see 42. It is straightforward, right? Per month 10. So 10 into 42, what will happen? 420. Right. But if you take this one, so 42 means what? 12 months we are giving here, right? 12 months.
Correct.
$20.
Correct.
So 36 months, how much?
3 point something. 3 point something years, right?
3.5 years, correct?
3.5 exactly. Yeah. Okay. Can you just give it 44 or something? The number in the middle, maybe.
It will calculate automatically.
Okay. Yeah. That's it. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. So for standalone, it will be fixed, right? This is not subscription product. Okay.
Correct.
This fields is applicable only for which one? Subscription product.
Subscription based.
Subscription.
Clear? What is a subscription type term? Tell me, sir.
Yeah, well, a small question, like when we are doing the bundle and standalone products in a code line, you enable an option so we can differentiate between the bundle and standalone. So do we have something for subscription also, so we can identify these are the subscription product and these are the standalone products?
For that, I think I don't have any any option we don't have. The standalone bundle, we can standalone subscription products are like same almost. But if you want to observe, then you can just maybe you can do the changes based on that. Price will change. But here we cannot identify directly. I think there is no option. I'll check, sir. Maybe any option is there.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So this is subscription products. Okay. So we are talking about fixed price only, right? There is one more price is there, % of total. That will discuss a separate topic is there, pricing methods, that way we can discuss. Okay, sir. So this is subscription product. So this you have to do this assignment also next week. So assignment means what you have to do is you have to do all the class topics. Okay. And extra whatever I'm specifying assignment, right? That is also you have to do. Clear, sir? Class topics, what we discussed today.
Yes, sure.
And along with this, anything I'm giving a separate assignment, and that one also you have to do. So this is subscription products and all those things. Okay, so then we'll discuss one more topic. We'll continue or we'll discuss tomorrow. Is it fine or it is more? Hello?
I don't have any issues.
Yeah, both way works. Yeah.
We'll go?
I mean, yeah, we can extend now also, or maybe based on majority's opinion.
Okay. Dinesh Gangadhar, sir, madam.
Yeah, we can continue.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I don't have any issues.
Okay, so we'll discuss a topic called custom actions. What is custom actions? Okay, sir. Now, if you observe, sir, here, if you go to any code time page, these are all called what? Buttons. In the background, we are calling custom actions. But in the background, this is an object called custom action object. What is the object name? If you want to see any buttons here, first we have to create custom action in the background. If you see, click add products, what is doing, sir, here? What is the action it is doing?
You're adding products.
Adding products. Correct, sir. If you do select, right, what it will do? It will select the products and it will go navigate to the code. So these are like custom actions. If you want to see all these custom actions where it is exist now, there is one object in the background. What is the object name, sir? Custom action object.
Custom actions.
There is an object called what? Custom action object. CPQ object. You can see all the buttons here. If you click all, you can see all the buttons here. Whatever is there in those buttons. Okay. You can see your button also, add products button also. What this will do? What this button will do? Custom action add products button. It will adding in the code line editor page. What is the perform? What it will do, sir? Why by clicking this button? What is happening now? Displaying products. You can act. You can just showing the products to the page, right? You can do same thing. Similarly, if you want to get your own page, you can your own button you can create. Okay. For example, now what is happening? If we click add products, it is displaying all the products. Correct, sir? In the price book, what are the products are there? USA price book. All the products are coming. But I have some requirement. So I want to add one button call here. Before this button, I want to add one button call. Add a software. What is the button I want to give? Add a software. If I click this button, what I have to do?
You can add software products.
I want display only software related family products. Which products? If I click that button, I need to display. We need to display where family equal to what?
Software.
Software. Okay. Just you are making some work easy for the salesperson. Instead of going and searching all these things, what you can do? Just by using this custom button, directly you can open the software family, products under the price. Okay, sir. We'll go custom settings, custom actions object. Where is that? Yeah, this is a custom action object, right? Open custom action object. So there are some important fields that you can give the custom. If you want to create a, first of all, add software. What is the label you want to give for your button? What is the label you want to give, sorry, for your button?
Add softwares.
Add software. So that label, whatever you want to give for your button, that label you have to add in which field?
Label field.
Label field. In the custom action object, what we have to do? We have to add the label. For example, first decide a label, button label. Decide button label. Decide button label, what you want to give. A button label. Okay. Then this is the first step. Okay, sir. Decide button label. Step 2, add label. In this case, what is the button label I want to give? Software. Add software. Add software. Add this label in the label field. In which object? Add label. Add label in the label field in which object?
Custom action.
Custom action object. This is the first step you have to do. Okay, we'll do this thing. So go to the custom action object and open your object, custom action object. Edit object. Fields and relationships. Which field you want to open? Label. In the label field, what you have to do? What do you have to do?
Add the label.
Which label you
Add
want
software.
to use?
Add software.
Which label you want to give for your action? You can add that label here. I want to give my button label equal to add software. That's why I'm giving this label. Click a save. Then step 3, create a custom action record. Create custom action and choose a label, whatever you have decided. Okay. Choose label, you have to do this. Okay. So go to custom action record object, click on new button. So I can give button name also same, add software. Okay, sir. It should be active. Display order. Any guess, sir, what is the display order?
Where on the code line it will come first, second, or third.
Correct. You know number field in the option object, feature object, which feature you want to display, which option you want to display. Similarly, where you want to display this button, maybe which place you want to display this button. I'll give number 1. If I'll give number 1, what will happen? In the code editor, first it will display. Whatever the existing buttons we have, right? Already some existing buttons we have, right? For that button's number is different actually. You can observe. If you open to the existing custom actions, for that button's number is starting from 900 something. For existing custom actions, if you see all the custom actions, what is the number is there? You can see all the numbers is coming from more than 900, 912, like this. You have. Okay, so that's why for my button I am giving number 1. What is the meaning of number 1? It will come. Where it will come? Before smallest number. What is the before? After 1, what is the number is coming?
900.
900. Where is 900 here? Add products. So before this button, what will come?
Add software.
Add software button will come. Okay. So that's why I'm giving number 1 here. Okay. What's the brand button here? If you observe here in the code, all the buttons have one color. Save buttons have different color. What is the difference between this button and this button?
Styling.
Background blue is there, right? This is called brand.
Yes.
How this blue will come? Because for that button they have enabled what? This checkbox.
Brand
a
button.
brand available, it will become a brand. Okay. What is the type here? Button or menu or separator? What is this? Which one you are doing now?
Button.
Button.
What is the menu? This is called menu.
Like drop down.
Drop down.
What is separator? What is separator? In the CPQ, generally, if you want to give space between one button to other button or one menu to other menu, what we can use? Separator. For example, you can see now, there is a space between this one and this one, this one, this one, but there is no space between these two. How this space is coming between the add products and add group?
Separator.
They are using a separator. Separator is not a separator. Is there is nothing, madam. There is only giving space for the buttons. That's it. It will not do any actions. Separator will not do any actions. What it will
action.
Will give only space between the
Space.
buttons or menu, whatever it may be. Okay. So don't use that separator and all. We can use generally button or menu. That's it. Okay. So this is if you want to navigate to any other page outside the Salesforce any page, we can use this one, URL and all. In this case, we don't need all these things. I want to display this button in the Kotlin editor. Okay. In the Kotlin editor, I want to display this button. Otherwise, if you want to display any other pages, account page, contact page, where you want to display this button, for my requirement, I want to use this page in the Kotlin editor only. That's why I'm choosing Kotlin editor. Location, code or group. You can choose any one. I can choose anything. Code or group. Action. What you want? Action you want to do?
Add products.
Add products.
Yeah, adding products.
Okay. So what is the label you want to use?
Yeah,
Add software.
Add a
software.
What is this? Not there. It should come last, right? I have refreshed the page. Okay, I'll give again names. Add software. Should be active. Brand. One. Button. Quote. Editor. Quote. Sorry, this is a quote or group. Actions, I can choose add products. Add a software. Okay. It will display software family products. Okay, so click a save. Okay, we created a button, but how it will display? How it will display? Just we are giving action equal to add products. That's it. How it will display? We have to add somewhere condition, right? So that condition we have to use in the which object? Search filter object. Which filter we have to use? Which object we have to use?
Software.
Search step 4. Create a
Search filter.
So how we want to search? Based on what you want to search?
Family.
Family equal to software.
Software.
Okay. So go to your custom action, search filter, click on new. So filter name, I can give product family. Display order, I'll give 1. Target object, product. Which field you want target? Family. Equal to what?
Software.
Okay. That's it. Okay. Remaining fields are not necessary. Just click a save. Okay. Now we can see our button is displaying or not. The code page. Just refresh the page. Can you see button now?
Yeah. Add
White button color brand button. We have enabled brand, right? That's what is coming. If you want to give space between this button and this button, what you have to do?
Separator.
You can create separate action called separator. That's it. It will not do any actions. It will just give some space. If you click this button, what will happen?
It will display
Software
all
family
software
related products are
products.
displaying.
Can you see now all the software? So whatever the search filter we created, right? That search filter you can see here. What is search filter we are giving? Family equal to what?
Software.
Okay.
Not this one. Not this one. Why is them 2 times? Okay, not this one. You can see here filter, right? You have to click this one. Now we can remove this one now. If I click this filter, what you can see? What is the filter you are giving? Filter name.
Product family.
What is the filter name you have given here? Product family. What is the condition you are putting? Family equal to?
Software.
Family equal software, right? Same filter you can see here now, right? If you click this filter, the number is how many products we have, right? Total number of products. What is the filter you are giving? Same filter. If you want to add more filters here, how we can add? For example, I want to add a product name code also upper above this field. How we can add? Above this one. Above this one, I want to add 2 more fields like a product name code also. But I don't want to add any such condition. Just I want display. Just I want display. I don't want to use any condition like this. How we can do this?
You can create a few more filters.
Correct. For example, what I can do is for family, I can give number 3. Okay. What is the number I'm giving? Display order number 3 means what will happen? Display order number 3 means what will happen?
There are 2 more filters.
Sorry? It will come in the 3rd place. Okay.
Yeah, there are 2 more filters on the top.
For example, I can give for this one, what is the name? Product name. Display order, I can give 1. Target object, product. Target field, name. I want to use any condition here. I want to use anything here. I don't want, just I want to give a blank. I want to give what? Just blank only. Okay. If you want to put a condition again, here also you can put where name like starts with, end with, okay, anything you can use. Now I don't want to use anything. Just I want to show you how it will display 3 filters there. Then go to related list. I'll create one more filter, search filter called what? Product code. Okay, I'll give a order equal to 2. Target of the product field, product code. I don't want to use any condition here. Okay, equal to all those things I want. For only I'm filtering based on the family only. The remaining 2 fields, what I'm giving? Filter value?
Nothing. Empty.
Nothing.
Empty.
It will display empty only. Okay, just I want to show you how it will display. Even if you want to give there also condition, you can give there also filter value. Okay, but I don't want to give, just I want to display empty search filter. Empty search filter. Now click add software. You can see search filter here. How many displaying now here?
Product name, product code.
And so for this one only I have added condition, right? Remaining things I don't have added conditions. For example, product name I want to give letter paper. Letter paper name, and what is the family?
Yeah, it's a product, hardware product, I guess.
Letter paper is a software only, right? You can see. Letter paper is what is family?
Yeah,
Printer.
Letter paper is having software only family. Okay, sir. If you want to remove this one, you want to check. You want to change any other thing, you can change. If you want to do any other filters, you can use it. You can change whatever you want.
It's like and condition or else R conditions. Like for example, if
you
we selected letter paper. No, service families.
And sir, that is.
Okay.
And letter paper and software.
Okay. So if we select service, it won't display.
No, it will not display because that is a different family. There is no name called letter paper in the service family.
Okay. Yeah, good.
Okay, that is called custom actions. You can see one more option here, star option, right? What is star option? Any guess?
Favorites.
favorites, sir. For example, you are selling same products multiple times, but in this for customers, you can make it as a what? Favorite. For example, I can make it these two as a favorites. You can give favorite name also. This correct way. What happened? Cancel. It is added or not added? So add products. Why it is not coming? Favorite name. Select. Add. Which products I want to select? Cloud storage. What else? Samsung. Click select. Again, it's coming same page. Huh? Why it is not displaying favorite products? So click edit lines. It's not adding. I don't know what is happening. So favorite name. Select and add more. Huh? Select and add more. This code has no line items. Click on add products button to select the products. So I'll add a business laptop cloud storage. Select it. Add favorites.
No, sir. I think here there is a star symbol, right?
Yes.
No. Just go back under the quote line. Yeah, there is star symbols, right? Maybe.
Oh. Favorite name.
Yeah, we can reduce some.
BL. Save. Okay. CL. It is added now. Quote lines here. Favorites. Okay, we'll see now. I have added here. Okay. Add products again. Yeah, it is coming like this. If I'll add this favorite name, what will happen? It will add two products. Huh? Yes. Yes, sir. I have to select here. Add at the time of adding quote editor, we have to make a quote what we can do. Favorite. We have to enable this. Okay. That is just a favorite items. If you want, if you are selling same product multiple times, you can add it in the quotes favorites. It will display like this. Yes, sir. So that is all about in this class. Okay. Tomorrow we'll discuss other topics. So any questions, sir, today? Not clear.
No questions, sir. But we have a lot of. Okay.
Sir, can you just show that notepad once regarding custom action?
Okay. I'll share this notepad also, madam. This one, right?
All right.
I'll upload this one also in a group. Last time also I uploaded, right? Not uploaded. I uploaded, right? I guess.
Yes, uploaded. Sir.
I'll replace that one with the latest one. Okay, sir. You can use the same thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, don't replace. Just add this one.
Yeah, you can add date wise. Correct. Yeah.
date. Sir, one more thing. Of course, this is